so complicated. There's so much pain we can't ignore, but we've been here before. What's the point in us trying? I can't tell anymore. Cause the connection that we had once is finally faded. Baby, I know that we good for each other, but I can't hold on for much longer. Time difference so crazy, don't even get the chance to call ya. Thoughts of you distract me, I've been broken down for too long. I need all or nothing, girl, let's work this out or move on.
I'm not sure I crave